It is KTV powered by World Sports Betting. Moroka Swallows 1, Kaizer Chiefs 0. Correction, Swallows FC 1, Kaizer Chiefs 0. A big shout out and rest in peace to Andile Ngonga as well. We lost a hero in South African football. We'll shoot the whole video throughout with him and his face in our background as well. Junior, just before we even talk about the actual match as well, very quickly nje, amazwi okududuza family yakwaNgcono.
Condolences with family yakwaNgcono mfethu yabo, but this thing, it's a spiritual problem in South Africa singayithathi kancane. Noma singayi-address each and every spiritual problem, need ukuthi kuthandazwe ngamandla, khulunywe noNkulunkulu nengilosi, sikhuluma ngenyanya abaphansi noNkulunkulu. Singayithatha kancane umthandazo. The best way to communicate with God it's praying, bro. Akusi ethi I'm going to buy or consult anyone. This is a spiritual problem. It's going, we can year and years. Yes. Yeah, so a spiritual problem. Yeah, sizwe singayi-address every spiritual problem. I think it's time ukuthi uNkulunkulu needs to give God attention and ancestors. I think izoba less ingozi kuleko.
All right, let's then move on to the match. Wow. I remember saying to you and so that for the most part in the second half, Kaizer Chiefs did not have a shot at goal. If they did, it wasn't convincing. Like, it was Swallows throughout the second half. In the first half, maybe here and there, but your summary of the match, in essence, where did Swallows win this game? It was impressive from Unjabulo Ngcobo, their number 4 at the back. It was impressive from Given Tiberi. Very impressive for Chisboy Mukwena as well. Overall, ngicela summarize ngoba uyibone njani game?
First of all, labantu labo esaba underrated South Africa. Those are the ones that they produce mostly. This coach of Moroka Swallows has never coached PSL team. Sikhuluma nge-DStv Premiership, but look at the brand of football that is playing. Remember, baze so it takes to build ube ne-culture, ube ne-structure, philosophy yakhe. I-philosophy coach mongamcheck, they are playing the ball on the ground. Uphetha bo Chisboy. Very impressed ngale Clever yami namhlanje. Not ukuthi Clever yami per se. My brother tells you South Africa made by stop with my over 30 or 32, 31. It's over. Never. It's a lesson to some of the coaches. The coaches, he had the faith to level. Pega the pinpoint, axi cross there. He pass, square pass. I'll be finish. Mangamcheck kulebu the way bekadlala ngakhona my brother, I'm very impressed. Qala ithinje ngisammarize ne game ngiyamnika ucoach njoba ngisho ngithi abantu esiba underrated South Africa. Those are the one that they produce 10 Malisela, this coach Zipho Dlangalala, abantu abanjengo Kevin Johnson, underrated. I don't care ukuthi uthinta abamvayisile, still remain the one of the best for me. I've got reasons why. So and then you go to Kevin Hunt. Kevin Hunt, defender ngabantu abayi-6. Katsandi is a central defense, and then Bamkor. Still, he conceding ngabantu abayi-6. Conceded 2 ngabantu abayi-6 last week. Namhlanje conceding ngabantu abayi-6 futhi equal. Less attack because udlala ngabantu abayi-6. Ufaka ukhama umthwalo usezandleni zakhe. Castro nowhere to be found. Mangitshela abantu last week isikhongibuzile ukuthi makathola i-team more structured. Can he create himself a space? No. Lazy, there's no element of surprise. There's a striker, always receives the ball, there's a man behind him who receives the ball, face like disappointing. Ngobo, Dlali system bamkhama, Manyama is giving still nothing, but he's starting week in and week out. It tells you why made us compete. Why made us compete? Angithi kune selection kambe 18 uke hotel. Kanti why made us in a program? It tells you a coach. A coach Chengis kuta ithanda ama skillful players, abantu ama ball players. Ucoach uyaza ka sign this season. Lentwana le uTBD wayangathanga. This is our player at Moroka Swallows. Can I bring him? As a ball player, it's a ball player var. It's affecting kuleko le point lela, I point taken le heavy kakhulu. Angithi uphile ama skillful players. He can't buy players. Bring the players odlala ku Chiefs uTBD. Look at him at Swallows. He's enjoying himself. Umfana mlethe kunama play Chiefs lawa dlala lapha. Far better. Angeke lo mfana ngimbenga mina will play him Changas if he was being coach mina yena Kevin just come advisor benyothi angisign iplayer lethu lela loan. Can I bring those loan players monke back? Ngicela babuye lento idlala regularly phela Swallows, especially njengayo bekamele etshele his loan is a Kaizer Chiefs player. If bathe bamfuna bengebala, they can't sign players to show ukuthi akabelieve. Ngithi ngifuna ukuprove abantu ukuthi he doesn't believe in players, ball players. Bring him adlale noNtshangasi noNgqobo sihlale ngama-ball player 3 angazwe ngithola, and then iKaizer Chiefs izoba more fluid. Ukama, and then you bring mhlambe for you rather bring youngster noma ngaba kayenzi next abafana laba ababenza ngama youngster bafike lapha, maybe there's this room for improvement for them than ukuthi uye ku Castro weekend and weekend akor after 10 games ama goal ayi2 and then people they say is doing well. There's room for improvement. Bawulethela abafana babuye ku development. I'm not saying they are best players, but they are better. Bring them and play them. Play them and sibone ukuthi team yakho i-team flow man. Ntshangasi Ngqobo nalentwana le uThibeli if ubalethe Kaizer Chiefs. Angithi need to Kevin abantu abaningi but is a very good coach. Highly rated. I've got nothing personality yakhe but standard of football that is producing. Kaizer Chiefs my brother i-coach ithole le club ngisazoyiphinda kaningi. The club being a relegation. You can take out the best out of these players. You protecting your brand when you protecting your brand, but still you conceding. It tells you, but IP system. That's why I'm confused. That's why Batalanga 6. Everybody is Lagune Pola Konya. That's how Katan ends the penalty because the Poli Fole Guba by 6 Babugela Michelin dead. Kansan Chewaya yet to be late penalty. Today, Batala by 6. Which is Utrepi Poda because of Zulu. Face Poda. Now, my brother, Nyakolisa, Uncle my brother, and Yamniga, Ukucho Salus. Mong I check their team balance, young stars, Skulmanga, my young stars, players that must there's I'm a profile of Antabani, I'm a player Maningo Salus, our speak, mixing Nabulebu, Abulebu the way they lead. Look at Tufu, bro. Then don't have any credit. Give man of the match. Him and Lebu give me which is point ali. Man of the match for me. Nkulmanga le center pack. Lebu ya kuchongati. Angi shay lizan. Comfortability remind me of Mbulelo Mabizre. Mean I give credit to his technique. Look, I got shy police defend. He passed him and Vuyo. Ba passer. They pinpoint. Vuyo can sang it opening. Look at him. Just the timing, my brother. Not NHNing timing. It goes in coaching language. Coaching technical team as well. Let's give a credit buffet. Fluid. If you come from South Africa champions, there's no much. My headlines in terms of NFT. They came back straight through NFT. Go TST Premiership. Now they're competing. They are competing, my brother. No loss. Abana lose. You understand? Look at the brand of football. Not just winning because who's winning we must make a goal. We are yenza. Gunendlela kumele uyenze. Kune bola ekugaba is set piece. Which is ayo ayidlale Luka Mardini. Ureverie your side. I'm very disappointed ngabolas men abo Reverie. Look at the movie, it's the training. Awuveli ngeke ungagelezi nkuleko ku-matric. Awufundi from January, February, March, April, May and then December uthiyazini. Ngifuna ukuphasa mina. Kevin. The brand of football that is playing, Kaizer Chiefs, it tells you in a training session. If laba chita beka small sided, the confident base of every day I don't know go to Kune, Sngam play mashup. Abantu bazoshoka njalo. It's considered. It defends Kune every day. It change yaga Kevin and like it team yakhe change every day. Can we have one defense in 5 games? Kuleko ngisazoyiphinda kaningi. Mina ngifuna ukubonisa elinye side. All in all ngizokutshela nje enangifihlele mina la ku Kaizer Chiefs if ngizothatha uKazande ngimdlalise kimi crime nje and then ngithathe uNtshangasi is not my favorite uNtshangasi but far better because the master passing game vision yakhe better than Kazande umfakele kwenza defender or getting yellow card each and every game because getting yellow card ama game is 7 you can count in a row you will get the yellow card he is no pinpoint pass because definitely receive bola face pala korel phume ngaphansi kwenyawo. I've got nothing against Ingwenya personally noma ngibonela fair I'm not close with him sikhuluma ngetlap enkulu ye angeke singaveli into eso and then yet again coach iatheka ngumkhotso omliko nophila nizulu no comfortable on the ball uatheka ngabo ama wing back they are not comfortable on the ball ba trap ababotha how many times umliko ashay bola phezulu kwebhala i1 phezulu kwebhala into ekutshela wona ngecross ngithi I don't believe into enjalo. If you cross pinpoint ulebu technique product development. Mina ngisazo ipin development check iplayer dlala ku development check iplayer nje vele out of nowhere lalo it's rare. Ukulinga uNkulunkulu lo.
All right. I think you've said a mouthful, and it's very difficult to actually disagree with what you're saying. Because we're watching the same game as well. Let's maybe talk about some of the incidents. I mean, I remember towards the end of the first half, I'm sure some of the people will raise it on the comments. They usually do. They will make an argument, Yoguti, Kaizer Chiefs scored a goal and it was disallowed. What is your take on that one?
Ifoul sharp bazothi disallowed ngeke leli angithi debatable ngoba umunye uzothi igoli ngeke uphikisana nabantu bathi foul. Caruso yeke goalkeeper lapha amphusha manyama ulishayile ibhola uCaruso goalkeeper foul. They never created chances. Ile ngifuna ukuyibona week in and week out Kaizer Chiefs. Mina ngingakayenzi ngeke ngibane credit ngoba abantu bathi at least we've tried. Abantu nabo babe honest to themselves man ba favorite club not ngokuthi bangayithandi abayitha you know people aba understand kahle game. I respect people opinion yabo mara yibo abantu abaningi gcina umuntu create ama dead threat ukuba uthanda iclub ukudlula nokuthi ungasaboni into egreen. Ngithi mina coach since has arrived yini into edile teamini angithi uDendense ubhayi Highlands bayibhayile yaba iChess Galaxy. Look at how they play. Uthathe lo mfana uMbunjana udlala emidlile we never saw him at Highlands Park. Okay, upeveni ngidlale naye ke mina but look at them now they start the ball ingenye indlela uyibalansile ulindo mbatha uyimixile le team. Look at same phela inkinga uDendense nayo they facing similar situation. Ubhayi club yahlanganiswa wafika manje wahlanga from Great Africa Champions Kevin Hunt so-called experience ne and then they come not even 7 touches you play with a player. Coach, please, the advisor, I'm advisor, I'm a coach. I know he's achieved in the coach, but give me my brother. I mean, it doesn't matter to achieve in terms of. I respect that foot getting it hard. You cannot, but can you show it now with Kaizer Chiefs? It's given a platform. Lagulazo Chachako, not Bugwamanyama Club. This is a big brand of team because my national team, performer on Chiefs.
Yeah. I just want to add on what you're saying. So the logic is when you get into a team. And you are a good coach, you have 4 league titles, there must be immediately something that you say, oh, let's also figure it up, and these guys are not conceding, or these guys are better at something. I support you when you are saying, look, what exactly is it doing? Because I was, and I was protecting his profile. Look, he has 4 league titles. Surely he does something right, wherever he comes from. But so far, in these 7 or 8 matches, if you include MTN 8 as well, it's very difficult to see where the improvement has been, and that should be a concern. With Lutentense, you can see by Paula, with even Brendan Schroeder today, you can see that he's instilling a philosophy as centre backs, play the ball from the back. They know what to expect from Utlanti, Matlaba, who was a substitute for Utlanti. They know what to expect from Mvuyomere as well. You can see that there's a thought process, but with Kaizer Chiefs, you can see but there's nothing here. There's no improvement up front, there's no improvement at back. There's no combination of 3 passes together.
Kuleko, ngithi mina Kaizer Chiefs right. Ile nto engiziphinda futhi is highly rated and take nothing away from him. He has won it. What has bring uletheni ku Chiefs enja? 8 or 9 games. He brought former defender 6 defenders. I can count. Caruso, Mphahlele, Mliko, Ngezana, Zulu, Katsandi. Central, yeah, mina ngimregister as a center back. Akayi phambili. Yeah. He's got yellow cards. Whether you aga check ne engel 6 players up front. How many players that will go? Sikhuluma ngehlapha enkulu kakhulu la. Ngithi mina icoach bene choice. Uyaza ka sign. Sharp. Mbize lo mfana. Angithi bathu yabhilivela uKevin is Nkuleko mina ngithi benginokubona bopelembe ball players at Beach West bahlale ngaphandle. Ball player angene zasengene kusele 10 minutes. I don't like yiko ngithi mina style of play. I hate philosophy. Akana philosophy futhi. It does mawuzodlala ngabantu abayi6. Boma awuthi ngibuze bomakha kanjani abantu abayi5 at the packet Kaizer Chiefs. Uprotect ibrand yakho. What about ibrand of football Kaizer Chiefs? Remember iKaizer Chiefs iklap enkulu. This the club azange bathi iklap enkulu for my brother has created history labantu. There's something about Begetafle, it tells you a lot. Before Buza, the brand of the brand enkulu, a lot is expected, and keep it consistent. So if we are a coach highly rated to come there. And then there's dancer thing. Example, Upaya Highlands Park, by Chicks Galaxy. Get Africa champions, these kids mixing. Identify one thing with dance, could look at the passing. Team got dance passing. Interby 80 by bring. Thanks to bring you the Potlangalad. Underrated but top class way too. Pega, Utlangani Sabulindo. Going forward, the team got dance now, consent being now, Gucci. Mfungi Maya Pambile, and now was it willing is to dance. A good coach does that. It dance where as Gucci, we some identify with the team at start polar at the back by a figure paringana. Like it passing game by Master and there's movement of the ball in a fit their team. Like in Kurmang passing game. Technique never lose or any first touch and stuff. We understand. Songbos are good, Nias good be Jalanga set pieces since a short Baxter and it's made it up. Change Kevin. Mbuzu Kevin, which is change.
Yeah. Well, let's forget about Chiefs and let's finish off the video with Swallows FC because they won and because they are winning, they are top of the table. 1-2, 1-2. They're usually number 1, number 2. It's only been 4 or 5 games. What kind of season do you think Brendan Schroeder is going to have with the Swallows with these kind of performances?
Is going to top 8. Even surprisingly top 5. We will never drop low pale pants laying it we top 8 never drop. Top 8, top 5 between the two. Mara top 8 to drop up and Lenguanya lemon I check it team balance. Central in Kurmanga peg for yayo. And he hardly changed this peg for. Namsa Minusant and Sifen Gasant. Umchita Melaikelez, it's Kurmango Muntu. A lot has been said the national team player. You can't go back past the pole, keep ungene pagat. You listen, we cap. Oganul trepusha itama ungene pagat. What are you doing? Uzo pass a square. He experienced Vuleli Pola, Manuboni open. We see the Magangen. Look at Uvu Magabambi Pola right. Uvu, unless Agnamuntu, there's somebody here. He passes it in a first touch. Simple. Oral trepe, Mangabu Presilubon, go to Valley line, pass somebody here. Uvu always open body car. Kamnandi was bonifito aiko on a chain. Magal pass Magabu he's just pass M twin. Angas young to open my brother. Once far under pressure, Ulisa Wika footmonge and a back press. Is striker, Nalomunto Macanina, will Zanapi. Ul passa could keep it up St. Villa Pamba. And healing king technically. Kala Nema Kinyaki. Umlika was Kulaganjus foul leader. It tells you, my brother, you can't go to Maki straight them twins. So, Umang side, we defend. Please, my brother. He experienced defend. I've got nothing personally think somebody like Ukraine. But listen to this, for me, that's why my last time when I debated Mabazoti, Ichize Amfunu planting it. Abagaba checking training for now, I need the left back. They needed the proper left back. Umundo fana but Tsepo Masilera. For me, Tsepo Masilera. Amina for me na being Funumunto fana no Tsepo. Mundo tactical discipline, technique very like we right back. Umboni lufu utilusi inkule basic master basic language. Agaznigi anzama foul unnecessary. Just take the ball. Utenumniga. Yes, sir. Agush kutange badlule wepati. Ingondo. A chinas is a chinas. So, you didn't think Zukchela on the Swallows, a coach. He born a lento amuti, and then he had to put you Umatlaba. Umatlaba nang the problem with Magatala position. On in a chepaya, Funala leg. It must be tactical discipline. And I at the Poland and forgive her to attend the square. I don't like that from him. Very good player, make no mistake. But the development moment by Funag, a natural talent. Una talent, but it's a natural development. Military ruling cool. Nana and that solo speak for I'm very happy. Mobile Kali move, ya turned out Tandable Kali move. I'll very long again. And then immediately there on Kulmangu Sebi. He has improved. I'm being a problem now. I mean, that's why I've been questioning sometimes in Paganja. Because I'm Funala leg, Magatara. He must be tactical discipline. And Umchitamela master passing game. Magata Tuli clap. That's why I've been thinking about Pete good. Can he master? Can he go by traffic lap? Melu was a receiver able to pass. You understand? That's one of my pocket. Now I'm trying to wear ends. I want to go. There was a cheese boy next to him. When he caught the poly play, no Tibidi. Begamama Kelvin, Begamela, Besabatan. Nothing when you began, nothing when you school. I'm very impressed with him. What's his name? Mteto. I give you credit. No, Kulego. Abantabaning Ababunanga, Lenguenya, knowledgeable cool in terms of Elianguenya, Ikumli logo cool Kaza Chiefs Namslange. We're not Konuk Fowler, no Lucas. Konuk Fowler, he's got speed. Yakwazi cover distance. Mina cover distance. That's why I respect to Charlie Ganga as a player. You cover distance, bro. Not running away late when I'm a foul. Distance, you can check with okay sharp. Distance there, I know I'm figure. I'm fit enough footing figure. So up front a bit disappointed. There was no second half here. Utulebo Begabuya tracker back first half, but there was nothing paid to Ulebo. Second half you could see Ulebo. And Magapambili. Coach credit to him pego for kumhlongo shinet ikutshela kahle ukuthi ustudy shila anyayinika lengwenya abantu esaba can they give that coach a credit as well you ngena manje ku South Africa from South Africa champion ibalance experience and awu sign ngoba mele usign but nayi market ivuliwe you sign where you need a person my brother and then team yakho izoba balance.
There you go. It is Ski TV. It is Ski Times. It is Ski TV is on Facebook. It is skitimes.co.za. That's our website. You'll get some football news as well there. Big shout out to World Sports Betting. That's our sponsor. www.wsp.co.za. That's their website. And a big shout out to you as well. Thank you very much for watching our video.